Okay, welcome folks. We're going to cook out here on my new grill tonight. We got us a big nice grill out here, and I'll show you here in just a second. I forgot the olive oil. Actually, it's canola oil. But we have to have that. We're going to put down some fried taters. We're going to do fried taters, broccoli, and fish down here on the flat top. All right, let's get us going here. All right, here's my grill. Got this side on medium high and the other side on low. Don't think we got this grill lined up like I want it. Pour taters out here. Got my spatula. You can get these things spread out on the grill here. Put that there. Just a little salt. A little pepper. Oh, pepper's blowing away. Get more of it on the side of the grill than I am on the taters. Alright, it'll take a little while. We'll let them cook. We'll be right back. Alright, we covered up our taters here because I didn't boil them. So they need to steam a little bit. That way they'll be ready when I get my fish and broccoli on here. We're going to go get that broccoli ready. Okay, we're going to put our pan out here. This is going to be for steaming our broccoli. Alright, we got that going. I'm going to put me out some oil here. And I'm going to put me some onions. Looks like my oil ran away. Here, maybe we need to pull this forward. There we go. Need to re-level this grill. Put some oil back there. Try to do this one-handed. We're going to dump us out some onions on here for our taters. And I like me some bell pepper with my fried taters. And we'll just let them cook. They can cook way down. Not going to hurt a thing. And we got the grill over here on low. We're going to put these fish fillets on there with some onion and some lemon juice. They're already seasoned with black pepper, and it's actually lemon pepper. Sorry, not black pepper. With some lemon pepper. And then I'm going to take and butter me up a couple of hamburger buns, sesame seed buns, and put them on here, and I'm going to have me some fish sandwiches tonight. We got taters cooking. See what they look like here. Oh yeah, they're starting to brown up. I'm afraid they may brown before they get done, though. It's going to be the issue because I should have boiled my potatoes before I put them on here. But we'll see what happens. This big old grill here. This is the Camp Chef Flat Top Grill 600. It actually, if you lift this cast iron top underneath it, is a grill. And if you want to cook steaks and hamburgers and that kind of stuff, if you don't want to cook them on the top grill. Got a couple of shelves, grease trap. The only thing I have noticed that I don't care too much for is the grease trap here. There is actually a hole there where the grease drops down into this container. And it works until you get crumbs shoved down in there, and then it plugs up on you and you have to get something to clear it out. They should have made that hole a little bigger, and that's been my only concern, but I've only had this one day, so I cooked on it last night, omelets and bacon and sausage. And of course tonight we're doing this. It looks like I may have to replenish my water for my steaming my broccoli, because I'm not near ready for that yet. That'll be pretty close to the last thing, because broccoli only has to cook like 5 minutes and it's done. All right, we'll let our taters cook, and our onions and bell peppers, we got all that going. So we're waiting on the taters. We'll get back with you in a little bit. Okay, looks like it's about time for us to put this fish on. Maybe a little hot. There's pretty good oil out there. Looks like it's starting to rain on us. Good thing we're covered up here. We're going to dump us some onions in there with that. Just for a little more flavor. One-handed with the lemon juice. A little bit of lemon juice on there. Let that just have its way there. Looks like our stuff here, we can pull this off for a second. I'm going to cut away here and let me pull this off real quick. Alright, I went and got my broccoli. I don't think anybody wants to see me stand and cut stuff up for the grill. So, there we go. Got our broccoli in there. We'll put that lid back on there. Give that about 5 minutes or so, and that'll be ready. These taters are really starting to look good. Maybe a little dark there, but that's all right. We kind of like them that way here. A little crunch. We'll mix our bell peppers back in with them here. I want to flip that because I'm going to use that to take stuff back in the house. But right now I'm going to set it down here out of my way. Stir all these taters together. They're starting to look pretty close. Yes, sirree. All right, let's flip these onions out of here and see what this fish is looking like. Yeah, tore a little bit there. There we go, that's better. We could have probably went a little longer. We'll flip them back over here in a minute. Yeah, we could have let them go a little longer before we turned them. First time I've ever cooked fish on a grill, so it's kind of an experiment for me. So we got our peppers done. Got our taters just about done. We'll mix them peppers in there to heat everything back up and put them in a sealed bowl. We got our broccoli cooking. I'm afraid I may have ran out of water in there. I may have to restart that. And our fish is going. All right, we'll check back with you in a minute. As you can see, I've added my peppers back to my taters, and them taters are done. So that pan I used to cover them with, I'm going to take them and just set them back in that pan so we don't knock it off the grill. Oh, we lost one. One got away. Can't be having that. As we all can tell, I haven't lost any food in a long time. Not planning on starting today. Maybe next week. Although I have lost 40 pounds, but I got a long way to go. But eating like this may change all that. Come on, get out of there. Last little piece there. Okay. We can actually leave that just sit there for right now. That way everything stays warm, and we'll even take the other one and cover it up. So our broccoli's just about done. Let's check up on this fish. It should pull loose pretty easily. Oh, it's gonna make a liar out of me. I'd say it's just about ready. On fish, all you want is for it to flake. When you stick it with a fork or something and it flakes, that one looks good. But see how that just flakes off of there? Yeah, that fish is just almost ready. So I went and lightly buttered me some hamburger buns. I'm gonna put them on there real quick. Get whatever that is out of there. Well, I can toast me up some buns. I put my fish on buns. My brother, he'll eat his fish just on a plate. I like mine on a bun. But I'm eating good again tonight. We'll be back when we pull it off here. Alright, we're going to show you what we got going on here. Get my brother's plate out, because he never eats when I do. He's done went off to bed. He didn't feel good again tonight. Alright, let me get us a spoon here. Alright. I'm going to do us up some of these taters here. And I'll show you all this as soon as I get done putting it together here, what it all turns out looking like. There's that. Got my buns all toasted up. Put the bottoms here on the plate. Oh, we got that old broccoli back here. Get rid of these old paper towels. I actually go on the holder anyway. Alrighty. Got some broccoli. Yeah, it's done. It's hot. Hot, 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 hot. Alright, we ran out of storage on my phone. There's my fish. My brother's plate with his broccoli and taters. I'm going to put his fish in there. That's that pot of taters. And then here's my plate. And I'm going to put some tartar on here and put my fish on there. Alright, and there's what we look like all done up. I still got to put me some tartar sauce on here. I ain't going to eat both of these. I done made up my mind. I'm put one of them back in the fridge. We'll eat it for lunch tomorrow. Because we got a lot of taters left. We can eat them too. So, I promise the videos will get better as we go along. I'm doing the best I can with what I've got here. So, may have to get another phone. Because this one may not make it. It's out of room again. So, alright folks. Have a good night. Oh, and P.S. The fish is amazing.